Today we will talk about widgets. When we are working in Flutter, you will encounter this word a lot of time because everything within a Flutter application is a widget, from a simple text to buttons to screen layouts. I will just set you an example that if you are coming or if you have any experience from in web development, then you will understand that there are navbar, text field, div, tables in Bootstrap or in HTML. In Flutter, all those things which are the UI elements are called widgets. That's it. So it's not a very difficult concept. I'm not saying that widgets are only the UI thing, but for the basic understanding, you have to remember that if you see anything in the screen, it will be a widget. That's it. Now, every widget will have properties, or you can say arguments, which we have to pass. So if you remember named arguments concept from the earlier Dart program, Dart tutorials we have already done, like in the same way, every widget is also a function, you can say, because in the back of the Flutter core code, it's mentioned like a named argument. I will just give you an example. Here, definitely this code you should not touch. You just see what I'm talking about. This center is a widget. So its property is accepting is one property is called child. Just imagine, yeah, I'm just writing it here. We have a function called center, and here it might be accepting something as named argument, suppose string name. Here it's same thing is there, but it's a widget property called child. That is why when we are calling this center widget, we in the child property we are sending again a different widget. This is a column. In the upcoming videos, we will deep dive into all the widgets, that is center, column, text, whatever there are widgets, we will understand each and everything. But right now, I just want to give a basic overview because at least you should know what is the meaning of the word widget. Now you can read here that and that property will most of the time accept a widget as its value. As I told, as I show you, as I have shown you that in the child property, it's accepting a column, which is again a widget. And the last thing is every widget start with its name followed by parenthesis. So again, I will uh, write and suppose this is one widget text, then parenthesis, and within itself you have other properties, suppose child, like this, and this child again accept a value. But in the text it's not child, I guess it's different, but I'm just giving you a basic example. Now just see this image. This is an application built using Flutter. So here, if you can see this button of word detail or this image or this arrow, all these are widgets. This text is again a widget. This nav bar is again a widget. Second example, it's a very basic food delivery application, but it's looking so good because it's built with Flutter. So these categories are also a widget called row because it's from left to right, horizontal. Then inside it, this circular thing or whatever, or this search icon is also a widget. Same like this example, this search bar is again a widget. This navigation button is again a widget. This image is again a widget. Widget? There is the image widget. That's it. You will say it in the later video, but I just want to show you that whatever you are seeing right now in the screen, all of them are different widgets. That's it. Don't I if you are overwhelmed, then also it's okay, because it's fine. Yeah, you haven't done or worked on anything like this, but it's very simple. Okay, till now this is enough with the topic of widgets. Thank you.